Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today, let me introduce you the eRapta magnetic solar wireless backup camera system with 7 inches 1080p monitor system and about 1 minute of installation time. That's really cool. One of the best devices I ever have. Because you does not have to drill holes into your car. You does not have to look where is your reverse gear or something else. No, only short circuit installation. And it's a DVR4 channel rechargeable reverse camera system for RV, for trailers, for cars, for camper, for trucks, and so on. That's a cool system because it comes with a really strong magnetic system. And a super easy installation. No wiring, no drilling. The camera can be attached to any metal surface. And that's often at your car. It's truly wireless design, so we can easily remove and reinstall it on other vehicles or locations. We have here strong magnet design and a soft rubber rabbit base material. This prevents scratches on the paint when the camera is removed or installed on another vehicle. And we have a big capacity and the solar power. That's a cool thing. Solar powered. With a built-in 9600 mAh large capacity battery and equipped with a solar panel, the camera adopts wireless design, using Type-C charging and solar power to extend the working time. And we have an upgraded 1080p image and infrared night vision. The backup camera adopts the sunset sensor, and it has a 1080p, that means HD resolution high definition image quality, which can clearly capture license plates, street signs, and of course pedestrians, for example, and of course other things, maybe obstacles or something else. And it's equipped with infrared night vision light-emitted diode lights. It can help reduce the blind spots and capture more details automatically. It will switch on and off the colorful night vision mode. And we have a stable digital signal. It comes with a built-in updated signal receiver. The distance signal can up to 320 feet, in open distance, of course. The effective transmission on the vehicle should be 40 feet, but I think it's enough. The transmission signal is stable and fast, all around guarantee our driving safety. And we have 4 video channels and loop recording if we need it. The built-in 64GB SD card means the camera supports recording. This saving and playback, so it can effectively help us to record movement tracks of the vehicle. It can add multiple cameras, up to 4 cameras, effectively avoid visual blind areas around our car, around our trailer or something else. And IP69K waterproof and wide view angle. Because the camera is made of high-quality waterproof materials and features a sealed charging port. This withstands a temperature range from -6 degrees Fahrenheit to 151 degrees Fahrenheit. We have a 150 degrees camera wide view angle, and we can have a clear and wider view of the road conditions. This avoids blind spots. And you can see brilliant, really brilliant, colorful picture. And it works nearly with no over delay. That's cool because it's not a wired connection. It works really cool, as you can see. You can read the license plate on it in the mirror of the car pane, for example, and it looks brilliant. You see there on the car, the red brake calipers are all sign about the camera. And this camera, magnetic, solar, wireless, baby. This backup camera system comes with 1080p rechargeable battery, easy installation, and as you can see, a good night vision. And you see now the night vision is automatically switched on if the photo sensor see that there is no light for a good colorful picture. But if there is enough light, it will automatically switch to the normal mode again. Automatically, baby. That's cool. We have a 7-inch monitor, a loop recording, 150 degrees viewing angle, and waterproof, baby. Because of the large battery capacity of 9,600 mAh battery capacity, and the solar power supply can greatly reduce the charging frequency. Solar power is the king. Type-C reloading is the king too, because we can do that with power bank, laptop, AC adapters, and something else. It should be work over 10 years plus. It should be work over 8,000 miles. And it should be work once a month. No prob. The really cool rear backup camera system for your car, for your trailer, for your truck, or something else. This is the eRapta magnetic solar wireless backup camera. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me, give me positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel.